What's up, gamer? It's your Frederick once again, and yes, we are going to unbox another item for today. I am a gamer myself, but I love toys as well, gadgets as well, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this as well. But before we do that, if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have new videos. But of course, we're still doing gaming videos, alright? But let's just take a break and unbox this item right over here, which is really nice and really solid, alright? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Let's go! Alright, gamers, so this is one of my dream gadgets and dream toy, and it's finally here. I know you guys can see it right over here. Alright, actually this is so much for me already. Alright, I'm just a simple guy, I'm just a simple gamer, nothing fancy, so this is a lot too much. Alright, and finally it's here. I was actually aiming for just an MGX Bugs 18, which is a lot cheaper than this one, but then God is really good, and here it is. This is what we have. So let's go ahead and unbox it right now. Let's go! Alright, gamers, so here is what we have. Okay, so this is the packaging itself. So this is, as you can see, a DJI Mini 2S8. The packaging is really nice. And I'll go ahead and post a link on the description down below on where you can buy one of these for a very nice price. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the plastic right over here. And if you're gonna ask me about the box, the packaging is really premium. Of course, this is from DJI, so it's expected that they should have a premium packaging right over here. So how do we open this? I think it's somewhere right here, right? Let's just open this part right over here. There you go. And out of the box, what do we have? We have here a bag. So this is the Fly More combo, all right? Fly More combo. But if you don't have that much savings for this Fly More combo thing, then you still have the simpler one, okay, which is just the drone and the controller. This is the Fly More combo bundle. There you go. So nothing much inside of the box, and this is what we have. So out of the box, you're gonna have this one. This is like a paper tie, and there you go, the DJI box. It is really premium, and this is waterproof, together with this detail right over here. It is really nice. There you have it. And then you're gonna have this label right over here. What does it says here? So I think this is what? So this is just like a label for it, like legitimacy or something, right? So in order to open it, pull it right over here. There you go. Look at that. Very nice, right? There's a rubber cover in here, so before you can see the actual zipper. So there you go. Just open it right here up until the other side, and here are the things that we have. So let's just remove the unit first. Boom, there you go. I'll just set this aside for the meantime. Okay, so what do we have inside the bag? So we have here the controller as well, but we'll check it out later on. So let's just check for the accessories first. So we have here the accessories, which is I believe this is the charger. So let's just go for the small items first. So this is the actual, there you go, quick starter guide, which nobody reads, of course, right? But I would really need to read this one first. So it's always safe to read this manual. So if you're reading the manual, go ahead and comment yes, and if you don't, go ahead and comment no on the description down below, okay? Nothing much inside, but I believe you also have some spare propellers in here, okay? So you have a, what do you call this, screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is actually pair, so it's 3 pairs of propellers. Okay, so I hope that we never get to use this, but of course, if you're gonna crash, then you would use it. This is actually my first drone ever. So that's about it. So let's just set this aside for the meantime right over here, and let's check this. Let me just put the screwdriver as well in here. There you go. And this is the accessories that is included. Boom, there you go. So what do we have here? We have here the connecting cable. So you have three types. You have the Type C to micro USB, and then you have the Type C to Type C, and there's actual label in there. This for the controller, and the other side should be for your phone. The one without it should be for the phone. Okay, and you have here the charging cable for the controller, I believe, and this is your charging station or charging hub. Okay, there you go. And yeah, this is a Plymore combo, so I have two more extra batteries in here. Okay, and I don't know how to pull it out. There you go. 1, 2 is on the drone, is inside the drone, and 3. Okay, and then let's check if there's something else on this box. There's nothing more inside the box. All right, so there you have it. And yeah, we're done with the paperwork. And this is your actual controller, which is very nice. And they say that this controller is a lot better than the previous one of the Mini SE, the first version. So right over here is a rubber, and this is plastic, but this is actually hard plastic, or it's rubber. I think it's pretty sturdy. Yeah, it really feels premium, guys. So this is just the unboxing, but we're definitely gonna do a review about this drone. So I think this slot is for your cell phone, and you need to pull this out. Okay, and then you get to put your phone right over here, which is just it's just retracting inside. So I think this is like a spring inside or a rubber. So I'm not sure if this is gonna hold your phone that firm, but I think it's just right. This is DJI, so we're trusting DJI. So inside, I don't know if you guys can see it. You'll see the connecting cable right over here. So what's installed is the lightning cable for iPhones. I will definitely have to replace this one. Okay, and there you go. The one with the logo should go for the controller. There you have it, and here is your actual controller, the bottom, right? There you go. So you just have to put it right over there. You screw it right there, and then this one, you screw it right over here. There you go, and this one goes to your phone. And actually my phone, and as of right now, my phone is right over there. I'm using my phone to shoot this video because my mirrorless camera passed away. Okay, so there's nothing much to discuss about this controller. So you have here the controller for the gimbal and the camera, for the camera actually. And here is your play, pause button for video, and of course for capture as well for taking pictures. And this is the switch from video to photos. All right, and then turn off power button, and here is your RTH button, return home button, which you can control on the phone as well using the DJI Fly app. Really nice. All right, and for the moment of truth, this is what we've all been waiting for. So this is the actual drone itself, and it's really small, right? Surprisingly, there you go. The controller is even bigger than the actual drone itself. Okay, so you definitely have to remove this part right over here, which is for the cap. Alright, so let's just remove it. So I have to remove it right over here. This is the actual instruction, so I just have to read that. Open it right over here. So this is just like a button that you have to press in and pull out. There you go. So we have removed it already. Let's just set this aside for the meantime. And this is the actual drone. Very, very nice. Very, very premium. So let's just remove this one as well for the gimbal. Boom, there you go. Let's just put it right here. And this is the actual drone itself. It's really nice, right? Wow. So we'll have to remove this as part as well for the battery pack. So let me just open it first. This is the front arms, and then the back arm should be pulled like this. Pull out like this. There you go. And there you go. Okay, so this is your DJI drone, right? I'll have to tighten the screws for safety purposes. There you go. And there you have it. I guess I'll just have to switch it on just for you guys. There you go. And pull out the back for the battery. Okay, so you have the slot for the charging port if you want to charge the battery right over here, which I'm not gonna do because I have a charging hub right over here. But for those who doesn't have, or if you're gonna want to buy the cheaper package, then you would only have this drone right over here, and right over here the controller and one battery, which is right over here. And you can actually remove the battery by pulling this one out. There you go, pulled out already. And then we'll just press this part right over here and pull the battery out. There you go. So this is the other battery, which I'm gonna charge later on as well. All right, for 3 hours according to the seller. So let's just put it back and right over there, and let's test this. So let's remove the gimbal first before turning it on. There you go. Gimbal is right over here. It's very nice as well. And let's just go on ahead and switch it on. Switch 1 to check the battery, which is only 1, and long press. There you go. Did you see that? Okay, there you go. The gimbal moves, right? So the gimbal is actually moving. Look at that. It is actually moving. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is actually stabilizing the videos. There you go, right? There you go. It's moving by itself. Really nice. There you go. And that's the drone. This is just a simple unboxing. All right, we're definitely gonna do a review about this drone, and I hope that you would check that out. So if you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up, share this video to your friends, family, and for those other people who's looking for the best budget drone, I guess this is it. And share your thoughts, comments, suggestions on the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have a new video. This is Fred once again. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Let's go, DJI. Boom.